What will happen to your body if you keep eating apples for 30 days? On the first day of eating apples, sweet, crisp apples give you an extraordinarily refreshing feeling. The large amount of dietary fiber and water in apples make you feel very full. You won't want to eat anything else for a while. On the third day of eating apples, you'll be surprised how often you go to the bathroom to have a bowel movement. This is because the dietary fiber in the apple plays a role in bowel movement. On the seventh day of eating apples, when you wake up in the morning, your mouth doesn't smell so bad. Look in the mirror and find that your teeth are also much whiter and brighter. This is because the stubborn stains on your teeth are afraid of the cleaning power of apple cider vinegar. On the 15th day of eating apples, without any exercise, you weigh yourself and realize that you have lost weight. This is because apples are not only low in calories but also very satiating. After eating apples, reduces your desire to eat other foods. On the 20th day of eating apples, you may find that your skin has a new look. There are fewer pimples, and your face is not so dull and waxy, thanks to the vitamin C and E in apples. It also saves you a lot of money on skin care products. On the 25th day of eating apples, you'll find that your forgetfulness has improved. Your memory doesn't seem so bad. This is because apples are full of antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and keep your brain healthy. After 30 days of eating apples, people around you are envious of your skin and mental state. The change in your energy level will give you a new lease of life. You feel more confident. This is because of the countless nutrients in apples. The amount of vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants in apples are constantly nourishing your body. The key is that apples are pretty cheap. Everyone can afford to eat them.